Hey everyone, now I will show you how you can connect your suppliers into your Shopify store. When you're in Shopify, you can just go here and click on apps, and then you can just type in collective retailer. Alright, and then click on the search, and then when you're here, there's actually a lot of options that you can choose. Usually you can just choose by their download and their rating. For me, I'm just going to choose this one, this sorted collection merchandiser. I'm just going to click it. Okay, and then you can just read all of this if you want, but when you want to install, just click install. Alright, so you can actually see that this app needs access to your customers, store owner, customers, products, store analytics, and online store. You can just click on install. Okay, so after you click install, this page should pop up and you can click on select collection. But for me right now in my store, I have no products or collection, so I can't see anything. But if you have products or collection, you can actually see the suppliers listed for your products. Now you know how to connect your suppliers into your Shopify store. If you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Thank you for watching.